All right, we're working at Kevin's this morning in his shop. This is the yellow bike that he's been resuscitating, and the wiring's done. It has to be lashed down. It's done. It's all electrically good. It'll be lashed down neatly. The thing that I want to talk about, first of all, we just did the first start, and I've got a video of that coming up. But the gas tank on the bike leaked, and he ordered a new gas tank out of India. And this is it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And it fit perfectly. We're perfectly happy with the tank. This is the second one between the two of us that we've ordered out of India. I ordered one for a Norton a while back, and it fit perfectly. And this one fit perfectly. And he has a second one ordered for another bike. So when we first considered buying the gas tanks out of India, we had heard a lot of horror stories about they just didn't fit, had a lot of problems. Well, we did not find that. The one that I bought for the Norton fit perfectly. This one fits perfectly, and the workmanship is just exquisite. I mean, seriously, it looks really nice. So the bike is coming together. We did the first start, and I'm just pleased as punch the way this poor old bike is coming back to life.
All right, first start. Frank's adjusting that carburetor. We have a motorcycle that runs, just needs a little adjusting here and there. She'll be perfect. We had good oil flow. Everything's looking good.